Evening, so I've missed the helicopter landing at the hospital by minutes. You can just see it there. But no, it's got to go round again. Whoop whoop! Buzzing, buzzing, buzzing! So that means that because of the wind, I'm sure it's got to be nose into the wind. Nose into the wind for it to be able to land. So, meaning if the wind is coming from that direction, yeah, where that pole is right in the middle of your screen is the way the wind's blowing, so it should come back around and point that way and land behind that building there. So where's it gone? Oh, if I'd have had another 5 minutes, I could have made it up to there. And it's there now. There it is. And watched it land. Should pop up there now. There we go. So it's coming back around. It's coming back around. For round two. That's a heck of a noise that is. Wow. Sorry if you can only just hear wind, but I'm trying my best. Go on, the boys and the girls. Yeah, go on. Lift to the eyes. Go on. So this one is the one Prince William trained for his pilot's license. Well, I'm assuming for his license, but it was for this, so he could fly. But it's still not landing. So don't know what the hell's happened. See, it's still there in the air. So it looks to me like it's going back around. We could have bloody made it up there. I can't now though. I can't run up. It's there, look, still there. So, yeah, anyway, what I was saying was the Prince William did fly in that. We used to have an older one, the yellow one, Sea King, and he was 110% training in that one, 110%. This one hasn't been out long. I'd say a couple of years, 2-3 years, something like that. So where have you gone? There you are. So it'll do the same thing again now, pointing to the direction of the wind, and hopefully he'll get it right this time. I don't know why he didn't try and land then though. Oh, so anyway, where are you, boy? Where are you, my boy? I've lost him. There it is. Sorry, people. My filming this last week is shoddy. Hutch! Gotta watch him as well. Hutch! Hutch! Sorry, people. I think I'm shouting at my dog. This is loud, this, you know. I said this is loud! Hutch! Good boy. Come on. Good boy. There he is, look. Where's he gone? God, I'm bad with this today. So yeah. Let me get a thumbnail. Can't even get a bloody thumbnail. You know what? Jesus. Well. Can't even get a thumbnail on my phone. Bloody terrible it is. Anyway, so it's landing now. I would say it's on touchdown any second. I would say that's landed now. The revs will go down and everything now. I mean, I could walk up there and wait for it to take back off, but no doubt there'll be. Well, they've got to wait for the doctor to come back from the ward, from the emergency, back to the helicopter, unless they've got to go back and pick someone else up, which means that they would just like do the handover straight away and hope for the best. But to me, that sounds like it's. But the revs ain't going down, so I don't know what's happening. Could be taken straight back off. So we'll just wait a minute and just try and cup this microphone so you can hear me and not the wind. So yeah, the revs are taken back off, surely. No, I'm going to take them back off. Sounds to me like they've turned it off, or like they're staying there for a while. So I'll walk with this here. Buddy boy! Buddy! Buddy! Wow, there he goes. Buddy. Hey, oi. Da. Showing off now. He's showing off, Dad. Look, showing off to me now. Look at him. Showing off. Yeah, gotta love him. So anyway, the other half. Oh, help, sure. It's a cross between a poodle, I don't know, and some. Oh, don't even get me started. Don't know. I'm gonna have to update you tomorrow about what breed the dog is. Look at those birds there, man. Yeah, what breed it is. Not cheap. So I will let you know tomorrow what breed. These birds, and when they were all together, right, it looked like thousands. But they're all split up, gone their own little way. What are they? They're blackbirds, crows, or yeah, they're crows. And now, well, they're all heading that way. So there's the moon. See the moon? There's the moon. The hole in the moon. There we go. Bit of Floyd for you all. So I'm going to head home. I've been out all day. Well, we went out about 12, 1 o'clock. I took him out before I went out, so he went out at 9:30, 12, and again now. And I'll take him again about 11 o'clock, just for him to have a little wee and be comfortable for the night. Yeah, all good. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, people. Come on, all you people out there that are watching me videos, subscribe. Come on, people. Don't want to beg. In fact, I won't, and I never will. But Come on. All you got to do is press the button. See that ball in there? That ball there. That blue one. That's mine. I'm going to get that over the hedge. Here he is. Stop. Stay. So we're going to leave it there, people. And I will catch you on the next one. So give us a like, comment and subscribe. And I'll catch you all on the next one.